Hi guys, before I begin, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Want to learn a new skill? Skillshare has you covered. With over 100 courses to choose from, you can get 7 days free with Skillshare Premium. To receive this offer, I've included a link in the description. This 4K iMac has been my daily driver from day one. Unfortunately, a few weeks ago, I accidentally cracked the screen. To save me the job later on, I separated the screen from the iMac and kept the screen on with some tape. I looked online and came across an eBay listing for a late 2015 4K display with an EMC number of 2833 for only £320. Using my penknife, I was able to remove the bubble wrap covering the new display. I began by removing the display cable from the old cracked display. I then installed it on the new one. Now it is time to check to see if this display works and boot the Mac up. When I initially booted up the iMac, I noticed a couple of issues. I could hear the fans revving up and the desktop wallpaper was black. So yet again I removed the screen and began installing the temperature sensor. Once the sensor was installed, I rebooted the Mac and normal service resumed. For the third time I removed the display and began installing the adhesive strips. And before closing the display, I made sure it was working, and it was. I then applied a fair amount of pressure to ensure that the adhesive sticks. And there we go, easy peasy. Now all I've got to do is to dispose of the cracked screen. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe below. I'll see you all next time. Bye!